Have you ever wondered if a day will come when crimes can be predicted and stopped before they even happen? Imagine a world where technology doesn't just solve crimes, but prevents them from occurring in the first place. Today we're exploring how close we are to making this a reality. Welcome to Technology Dash, where today's fiction becomes tomorrow's truth. Let's dive into the future of crime prevention technologies. First up, neural network surveillance. Imagine AI systems so advanced that they can sift through mountains of data from surveillance cameras, online activities, and financial transactions. These systems aren't just passive observers. They actively seek patterns and connections that human eyes might miss. The goal: to identify potential criminal activity before it even happens. Next, let's talk about crime prediction algorithms. This technology takes big data to a new level. By analyzing a vast array of information, including social media trends, economic indicators, and urban demographics, these algorithms can predict potential crime hotspots. But they could go even further, identifying individuals who might be at risk of committing a crime based on their digital footprint. Autonomous security robots are next. These robots could one day patrol our streets, equipped with cameras, sensors, and AI capable of making split-second decisions. They could respond to emergencies, track suspects, and even provide assistance to citizens, all while constantly learning and adapting to their environment. After discussing autonomous security robots, let's shift our focus to drone surveillance, a technology that's already taking off but is poised to soar to new heights in the future. Drones, once a tool primarily for military and hobbyists, are now on the front line of advanced crime prevention. In the future, we could see fleets of drones patrolling our skies, equipped with the high-resolution cameras, thermal imaging, and even AI-driven analysis tools. These drones could provide real-time surveillance over large areas, something that's impossible for ground-based law enforcement. But it's not just about hovering and observing. These advanced drones could be connected to citywide networks, receiving alerts, identifying suspects from the air, and even tracking vehicles during high-speed pursuits. Imagine a scenario where a stolen car is being tracked not just by police cars on the ground, but also by drones in the sky, providing a bird's-eye view and coordinating with ground forces to safely manage the situation. Furthermore, drone technology could be integrated with other crime prevention tools. For example, in a smart city, sensors detect an unusual activity in a park at night. Instantly, a drone is dispatched to the location, providing live feed to the central monitoring system and the nearest patrol unit. The drone arrives within minutes, far faster than any human response could, providing crucial information and possibly preventing a crime. Quantum computing and cryptography is a game-changer for cybersecurity. With the power to process information at unprecedented speeds, quantum computers could crack codes and decrypt communications that are currently impregnable. This means a massive leap forward in fighting cybercrime and protecting sensitive data. Augmented reality, AR for law enforcement, could revolutionize how police officers and investigators work. Imagine officers with AR glasses or headsets that provide real-time information about a crime scene, suspect information, or navigation through complex environments. This technology could provide critical insights and data at the moment they are most needed. And what about smart cities? Picture a city where every streetlight, camera, and sensor is interconnected, feeding information into a central AI system. This system could monitor traffic, detect suspicious activities, and even manage energy use. It's a vision of a highly efficient, safe urban environment, but it also raises serious questions about privacy and freedom. Brain-computer interfaces, BCIs, and genetic prediction are perhaps the most controversial. BCIs could one day read and interpret brain activity, potentially predicting violent tendencies or criminal intent. Meanwhile, genetic prediction could look at someone's DNA to assess their propensity for certain behaviors. The ethical implications here are immense. Are we comfortable with the idea of being monitored and judged by our biology? As fascinating as these technologies are, they come with a caveat. The balance between security and individual rights, privacy concerns, and the potential for misuse cannot be ignored. The future of crime prevention is not just about technological advancement. It's about navigating these moral and ethical minefields. What are your thoughts on these future technologies? Innovations for a safer world or a step towards an Orwellian future? Until next time, keep thinking ahead and stay curious.